Hello guys, welcome back to the Trading Insights channel. In today's video, we will be talking about market structure like I said earlier in our previous video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be using crypto to tell us the way market structure is. I don't want to use Forex. I don't want to use Forex space to show us because I like simplifying my teachings so you understand. Forex most times is a little bit complicated because of the moves, and most times it makes us not understand what market structure is or what we are learning. So that's why I'm using crypto, because it has a clear train of what we need for market structure. So I'll be using crypto to teach us so that we can understand quickly, because when we understand, we can implement it to any other pay or any other this thing. We can implement it to any other pay, so, or any other financial instrument. So I'll be using crypto to teach us. And I like when I'm lecturing or teaching you are with your writing materials. Guys, please make your writing materials available closer to you, because you're going to be learning a whole lot. Okay, if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please do well to subscribe, because we've started it full. Back then we were in the series of revelation, telling you how Forex is and the rest, my life, my progress and everything, because I want our heads in the game. So right now we've started the main training, or should I say right now we've started the main teaching, the main chat of what we are learning. So what is market structure? So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be dropping a whole lot of videos that will help us scale up our account, trade like a professional, lead us to that professionality we need. Okay, let's dive right into the lesson of today. Market structure. So what is market structure? Market structure is simply the way price moves. It shows us the trend, whether the market is going up, down, or just moving sideways. And a lot of us might have known what market structure is, but in this simple guide, I will break down in a way anyone can understand, even if you're brand new. Once you understand structure, trading becomes way clear. Once you understand structure, trading becomes way clearer. Let's keep it simple and real. I want to make this video as simple as, so that people will understand, and we won't be talking too much. We'll be diving into practicals. So what is market structure? Market structure is simply the movement of price, the way price moves, whether it moves on an uptrend, on a downtrend, or on a sideways trend. So I'll show you guys how it works on the chart here. So that is it about market structure. I don't want to take you guys too long. Enough of all those long videos and the rest, because you guys already, a lot of people already know what market structure is, but I just want to simplify it in order, even if we have newbies here, they can understand what it is. So I'm just gonna show you guys what market structure is. So let's head back up. So now, using this XRP coin right now, I like teaching with crypto because it has a very easy chart to read. So now, what is market structure? Market structure consists of highs and lows, and those are the things that form the trend. When you see a trend, those are one of the things that forms that trend. So right now I'm going to be drawing highs and lows, because we will need this later as we keep on going. Now this is a low. This trade was on a downtrend before changing to an uptrend. So this is the last low before it changed to an uptrend, and then this is another low and then this is also a low. I skipped this one, sorry guys. And then this is also a low, and this is also a low. So all these lows that I'm drawing, it tells you that the market is still on an uptrend, that it has not been broken. That trend has not been broken. Those lows has not been broken. So that is what these lows are telling us right now. They're showing us that the market is on an uptrend. The market is breaking structures above, not below. Let me do this. It broke structure here. It broke structure here, and then change direction. Should I zoom in? I want us to see it broke structure and kept on going high. Came back again. Broke structure here again. And kept on moving. Came back again. Broke structure here. Retested and kept on moving. So that shows us that this market is on an uptrend, and we are still expecting it to break further structures, which is like this one here. We are still expecting it to break this structure and keep going. And then it doesn't end here. We still have structure here at the left hand side. You have to always train your eyes to see all these structures, because they are important and you will need them later on. So I expect this market to break this structure and still continue upward like that. So now if you look at this now, this market is on an uptrend. So if you were looking to sell this market, it should have been maybe a minor sell or a little sell, because most of its moves were on an uptrend. And I need us to take this market structure very serious, because it is part of the things that we will need as confluences to take our trade to be profitable. So this market structure is very, very important. Look at how the market was breaking structures, creating highs and lows, creating highs and lows, creating highs and lows, moving upward. So now let's look at the downtrend. That was for an uptrend. So the downtrend, this is when the market moved downward. This is when the market moved downward. That was when the market failed. It failed here to create a new high, and then broke the low that was there already. And after breaking that low, it came back to retest that low in order to break another low. Look at it here. Okay, let me bring it down this way. It came back to retest that low that was broken in order to create another low. This is what happened, but it was a short downtrend. It wasn't much. The market didn't move down much because there was no much momentum. So it broke another low, created a new low, broke a lower low, and created another low. This was still a low being broken, but this low is not really that strong to influence that downtrend. So it broke a low here also, and this is a fake out, a little bit of fake out. So broke a low here, went back up to retest, came back, broke the final low, also went back up to retest. So that is basically how market structure is. I don't want to take this video too far, so just know that when price keeps on breaking a high and creating another high, breaking a new high and creating another high like that, price is on an uptrend. When once it changed character by breaking a low, instead of creating a new high, it breaks the low that was supposed to lead to a new high, know that the market has changed direction and is now going down. So that's it about market structure. It's not too difficult to read. That's just it about market structure. Nothing much. So in subsequent videos, we'll be talking more on market structures and combining them with other confluences. So for today, we end this video here at market structure. So I want you guys to go on and study this market structure, study it and understand it. Where you don't understand, please drop a comment. Honestly, please, I want you guys to drop comments. I love participation. Drop comments so that I can know. Drop comments where you don't understand so I can explain well. Sorry, I might not really be a good teacher, but at least I'm passing an information to you guys. If you can get that information, well, honestly, Forex would be very simple for you. I'm still learning to be a good teacher and a better teacher. Sorry about that. Don't worry, with time we'll get there. So for now, I'm going to stop this video here. Please drop your comments, drop what you don't understand, drop the questions you have about break of market structure or market structure as a whole. That is basically price action. And also I forgot to show you guys what a trend line is. Okay, don't worry, with time we'll talk about trend lines in subsequent videos. So for now, for this video, we'll end here with market structure. Our next topic, I don't really know what our next topic will be. I'm still coming up with something, or you can drop a comment of the topic you want me to teach or talk about currently right now, but it should be between price action, because I don't want us to deviate from our focus generally. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because this is gonna get better. Honestly, it's gonna get better and better. This is one big family and we are all gonna succeed, believe me when I say so. So I'm ending this video here, guys. Please comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, comments, participate. That is how we grow. We grow by relating with each other, helping ourselves. So guys, let's call this an end. I'll be checking the comment section. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.